The Nile perch, formerly known as Lates niloticus, is a species of freshwater fish endemic to the Ethiopian region of the African continent. It is notably recognized for its large size, with some individuals reaching up to 2 meters in length and weighing as much as 200 kilograms. Distinguished by its silvery sheen and slender yet robust body, the Nile perch possesses distinctive traits that have contributed to its reputation both as a formidable predator in its native ecosystems and an important economic resource within the regions it inhabits. The Nile perch exhibits a range of physiological adaptations that facilitate its survival and dominance in diverse aquatic environments. Its body is streamlined for efficient swimming, allowing it to cover vast distances in pursuit of prey. It is fitted with a pair of well-developed dorsal fins, along with a stout caudal fin that promotes powerful propulsion through water. The fish's mouth is sizable and armed with multiple rows of sharp teeth, designed to seize and consume a wide array of aquatic organisms, including smaller fish and invertebrates. Native to several major African river basins, such as the Nile and Congo, the Nile perch thrives in both riverine and lacustrine settings. It is primarily found in warm, tropical waters where temperature fluctuations are minimal, and oxygen levels are sufficient to support its vigorous lifestyle. However, its introduction into non-native waters, such as Africa's Lake Victoria, has generated significant ecological transformations. In these habitats, the Nile perch has demonstrated a pronounced impact on local fish populations, often leading to declines or extinctions of indigenous species. The presence of Nile perch in commercial fisheries has had substantial economic implications for local communities. Due to their imposing size and plentiful flesh, these fish are highly sought after for their culinary value. In many regions, they form a staple part of local diets and contribute to export incomes through international sales. As a result, Nile perch fisheries have become a vital component of the economy, fostering industry development and employment opportunities. Despite their economic benefits, the ecological costs of Nile perch introduction and proliferation are considerable. The species' predatory habits have led to the alteration of aquatic ecosystems, promoting shifts in species composition and dynamics. Native fish species, many of which have not evolved defenses against such a predator, have been drastically affected, commonly resulting in diminished biodiversity. Additionally, the fishing practices employed to harvest Nile perch can exacerbate these issues, leading to overfishing and habitat degradation. Conservation efforts aimed at balancing the species' economic value with ecological sustainability have been complex and varied. These efforts encompass a range of strategies, from the implementation of fishing regulations to the rehabilitation of native species through breeding and reintroduction programs. Sustainable fishing practices, such as the promotion of selective gear and harvest controls, are also advocated to minimize negative impacts on the environment. Moreover, educational initiatives have been launched to raise awareness about the ecological roles of native species and the consequences of invasive predators like the Nile perch.